Hey everybody! That burp's going in there. Yeah.
Yeah, probably. I mean, we'll put it in there.
Yeah. So, we are back at Joe's shop. Behind me is Miata and larger
It's just
Miata.
a stock Miata 1.6. The bigger Miata.
Yeah, just two Miatas.
Yeah, a couple Miatas.
He likes Miatas. There's like some there's like middle child Miata in there too. Anyways, today is the assembly day. Everything's painted, everything's done. We are putting the whole car back together. Gotta put the doors back together, put the windshields back on. Everything has to go back together. Excuse me. So, we're gonna get on that, and then by the end of this video, the car should hopefully be back together all the way. At least like the body panels and stuff will be back on, and we will be showing everyone the color. So yeah, we'll see you guys later on after the stuff's together.
It's still gonna be like HD. It's just not.
Welcome back to. We time traveled to 1960s before color was invented, so everything was black and white. But we have a really good camera, so it's crisp with black and white still. So this is like the final product for the rear. We still need to get the front fenders on and the over fenders, and the whole front end needs to go together still. But we've got quarter panel over fender and door over door. Yeah, so this is how it fits. The other side is a little bit better, but honestly, that's still fine. It's close enough.
I mean,
it looks pretty fucking
it's like better than most modern cars. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, there we go. Ford could learn.
Yeah, Ford
from this.
Step it up, Ford.
Yeah. Anyways, paint is stupid. Seeing that, like, going, especially from back there, like, from like 10, 15 feet away, looking at this thing right now, even with like a completely unfinished ass.
Yeah, it's a 10-footer. You know, it's not that. That's usually not a good thing.
Okay. No, just like being able to get a good full view of the whole thing. Yeah. It's
Open
absurd.
the doors. Open the doors.
And then,
look at this shit.
You find it. There you are. Huh. So that's a thing.
Yeesh.
So she's all good and returned. The only thing that we haven't put on, like, to really show off everything is the rocker panel, the side skirt. That also has a full return, and just will kind of complete the whole, like, wow, that's wide when you open the door vibe. So yeah, I mean, we need to, or Joe's going to be repainting the spoiler, the rear bumper, and the mirrors. Those were all painted like early on, and the mix kind of changed up a little bit on them. So everything else is like the same color except for those three things. So those need to get painted again to get finished up. I think he's gonna do it like tomorrow or something, and then Tuesday the glass is coming, and then she'll be coming home. I want to get the front end put together and probably roll her out into the sun and, you know, glam shots. So yeah, Joe went to go pee, and
good, thanks.
Everyone needs to know that.
Yeah, it's
important.
very pertinent information.
And Kibby and I are going to try finishing up putting a few of the interior panels back
Yeah,
on.
we still got like B-pillar trim and stuff.
So yeah, so
We got the door cards. They're all powder coated black. I don't know if you guys have seen that yet.
so the door cards are powder coated black. I put those together, so they need to go back on the doors, but they're not going back on until we get the windows back in here. Windows have to get the regulators put back together, so we also have to figure out which regulators go where. Put those on, get the windows back in, then the door cards can go on. We have, like Hippie said, we have the B-pillar, the lower B-pillars that need to go back on, and the front little splats. And then interior is done until the windows go back in, and we can actually finish, like, do the A-pillars and the C-pillars and stuff. But yeah, so everything else is like,
And then front bumper and the front lip is over there too.
yeah, everything.
So,
Oh, and these are going on today too. He's going over and grabbing some panel bond to put these boys on. Yeah, so we're almost done. Things are going. I'll be excited to drive it home, but just having it finished, like primarily today, will be really fucking cool. So we're almost there. This came out way better than I fucking thought it was. I mean, I thought it was gonna come out like perfect, but I didn't have it in my mind of how like awe-striking this shit is.
I mean, it's not a sport cross, but it's pretty cool.
T-Ducky. So yeah, so we're almost done. We're getting there. We're gonna get back to figuring out what fucking window regulators go to which door. So we'll, yeah, bye.
Now that's exciting.
Australia. They do
Mate.
that's Canadian.
Oh, hold on. Here we go. Get it?
So, they do a lot of, or they do like all the like Skyline GTR stuff, and they're just really well known. So they made this little dude, which I'm going to put on my car. It's
a box.
Oh, I was opening the box the wrong way. There we go. It is a replacement for the passenger. It's like a left-hand side headlight, and it turns it into a nice carbon fiber intake duct. So it sits like that. Everything bolts in like, I'm pretty sure like OEM. It has a little LED guy that has a just plug and play harness attached to it. Little arm bolts somewhere else, and yeah. So we're gonna be putting this on today too. Once you start getting it.
Shut the hell up! Oh.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Let's start getting the front end together. You get it.
What?
Alright everybody, she's pretty much done. We have all been here since, well, Joe's been here since, like,
2 months.
no,
What?
today.
Today.
Since 9.
Yeah. Joe's been here since 9, we got here around 11, it's like 7 now.
It was a good 10-hour day.
Yeah, we've been putting in a lot of work. It started off this morning as like just getting out of the paint booth. So we had to put everything on. We did a lot of harness work, stuff to get the windows in. There's like a few little things that need to get finished up. But this is good enough to show you like what exactly is happening and what's happened. So you still don't know what the color is? But this is an R32, a Pandem R32 sedan. Pandem.
One of one.
So, yeah. One of one. So, yeah. We will, once the car actually comes home.
Can you like be more excited? It's hard to show, but he's excited, guys.
I'm really excited. I am so stoked. Like even like this morning when we got here and like everything was painted and we started putting things on. Literally, we had like 2 panels in the back, and I was like, "Fuck, this is like so much better." Like I already knew that it was gonna be awesome, and then it just turned out like I don't know, like as awesome as I thought it was going to be, but it hit me harder than I thought it was going to. So it's just incredible, and yeah, it's so cool. We'll have a different video like once she's all done, cleaned up, finished everything, showcasing the actual color. But yeah, so thank you, Joe, for all the fucking help and just making this happen. This is like literally the only one you're gonna see. I mean, I don't know. If we get enough interest, Joe said that he'd be totally down for making some molds of this body kit and then selling the molds or like doing the work for somebody to get this pretty much same finished project.
Go do a walk around. Do a walk around.
I can't, Joe. I can't do a walk around.
Yikes! Ouch! Damn!
But Katie can do a walk
Yeah,
around.
I'll do a walk around. You want to roll around? Do a roll around.
I'm a great gimbal. Just roll in. Walk in.
No, neither. That.
So besides your Miata, is this the coolest thing that you've?
I mean, besides my R7, I would say, and maybe my Challenger.
I'm saying
It's definitely top 5.
I'm saying wide.
Oh, I think
Making
that's
stuff wide.
I thought you were saying like the coolest car. But
No, I'm sure there's like been other cool cars, but
no, this
like,
definitely is top 5. I would say.
That's pretty cool. And how long have you been doing this for?
15 years now.
Yeah, top 5s. That's good.
Yeah.
What's top 1?
You don't always gotta be number
I'm
1.
Miata.
That's
Exactly.
yeah. It is. I mean, you know.
What's yours gonna? Yeah, it's definitely.
You know.